Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable auto login to account on the MacBook Air. To do this, we'll need to open our system settings, then scroll down and find users and group. Now select the button right here, so automatically login as, and pick a profile. Now enter the admin password and enter the password again. And here it's set, it will automatically log into that account. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.